How to match a regular expression with exactly one digit in it using Python regex. I am trying to match a string with exactly one digit in it. For example 5, 4, 3, etc. I am using the re library in Python to help me use regex. I have the following three flags that are being set with respective if statements. Here is the weird part. When I pass an item with a value say 2754, the source still gets set to true, even though it is only supposed to be true when matching a string with only one digit, like 5. I am suspecting that my regex syntax is incorrect. So, how do I match a one-digit string using Python regex?
If it consists of one digit and nothing else. If it can contain other non-digit characters. By starting the regex with, you just ensured that the first character of item was used in the regex test. By using $, at the end, you will ensure that the last character of item is used in the regex test. By using both and $, in the way shown, you will ensure that all the characters of item are used in the test. Your regex allowed any number of things to happen between the first digit being found and the end of the item string. This is great resource for testing your regex. This URL.
I agree with the comment made by user at Carve. This is what I got. Results.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.